Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trigonometry identities. First, focus on the three fundamental Pythagorean identities: sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1, 1 plus tangent squared equals secant squared, and 1 plus cotangent squared equals cosecant squared. These are your building blocks. Next, grasp the reciprocal identities, like sine equals 1 over cosecant, and the quotient identities, such as tangent equals sine over cosine. Understanding their derivations from the unit circle is crucial for a solid foundation. To truly master these identities, consistent practice is key. Make flashcards for each identity, writing the identity on one side and its derivation or a related example on the other. Dedicate at least 20 minutes daily to solving 10 to 15 practice problems. Don't just memorize, understand each step. Work through examples slowly, ensuring you grasp the logic behind every manipulation. This active recall and application will solidify your understanding. Visualizing identities can significantly enhance your learning. Regularly draw the unit circle to see how sine and cosine values relate to angles. Use right triangles to derive the definitions of tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant, understanding their ratios. Connecting these identities to their geometric proofs helps build intuition rather than just rote memorization. Seeing the relationships visually makes them much more intuitive and easier to recall under pressure. As you progress, start identifying patterns and common algebraic manipulations used in identity proofs. Practice applying identities to simplify complex trigonometric expressions, which is a common application. Regularly review all learned identities, perhaps once or twice a week, to keep them fresh in your mind. This consistent reinforcement, combined with understanding their underlying principles and applications, will ensure long-term retention and mastery of trigonometry identities.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.